Alright, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today I'm just going to show you a project that I did. Now this may be out of order from the rocker panel. I don't know if I've launched that one yet. But that's part of the work I was doing on this truck right here. You can see we got this all in. We got the corner piece all in. So if that video is not up, it will be up within a week or so here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up some pictures of the truck before. And I'll put those up right now. So what you're looking at is I took several pictures around the truck, the front, the side, the back, the top. I believe I did a picture of the roof. You should be seeing that now. And all of the peeling of the clear coat on this. It was the original paint job. This is a 1998 Dodge Ram 3500. But it was in rough shape as far as the paint job. And I decided a long time ago I really wanted to get it fixed up and cleaned up and looking better. I'm not looking for perfection because as you can see how bad it is right now. So hopefully now those pictures are done so you can see there is a huge difference. By no means is this perfect, and I'll tell you in a minute why I didn't show that process, but it just looks so much better. So what I did is I fixed the rocker panel, the corner cab corner on this side, and did a little bit of body work, but I did not get fussy. I was not looking to fix all of the flaws. Like if you get close, there's a spot right here. Now this is Bondo. I really need to get new fenders for it, but you remember how bad the hood looks. Now this is the morning after the rain, so there's rain on it too. And if you remember the picture, these were all gray and crappy looking. They came out really nice, and so really it's just, I'm very happy with it. Is it perfect? Not even close to perfect. Is it looking good and going to hold up for a few years? Yes. I did this with Rust-Oleum paint, thinned it with acetone, and the reason why I didn't really show this process of how to, because I've never done it myself. I mean, I've sprayed a vehicle before, but not with Rust-Oleum. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. I didn't want to show that process, but I will tell you what I did so you can kind of see, and I'll show you some of the stuff I used. Basically, I bought myself some Rust-Oleum black. You can see that, just a standard Rust-Oleum farm implement black paint. A gallon of acetone. Of course, I had this stuff for spraying. You want to filter your spray. And I had my spray gun. So this is what I used to do it. And pretty much that was it. And also, too, I did go and spray some undercoat, some rust converter. I'm not sure I like this stuff yet. I'll have to wait and see what it looks like on the frame after it dries and is looking good. But as far as the body, that's what I did. And all I did was fix up some of the worst spots and got a coat of paint on it just to clean it up. You can see we forgot to tape off that light when we were doing the door here, and we got a little black, so I have to clean that up. I didn't even take the light bar completely off. I just unhooked it and swiveled it off the side and painted around the best I could. I am going to be replacing these pieces here, but they want 85 bucks for these little stupid things, these door sweeps. We did remove the hardware. We did remove the chrome, the mirror, and that handle on both sides. The rest of it, Tracy taped up. My wife, you don't see her much in these videos, but you can see the truck looks pretty darn good. We did pop the lights off, and there was a pretty bad, these are these fiberglass fenders with the dual wheels, and these are notoriously broken on, pretty much all these things. People stand on them, myself included. So I did a quick body work here, and you can see the seam here. It's not the crack, it's just the edge of the Bondo where I didn't take the time to sand it down smooth. This is why I didn't want to do a video on how I did it, because it's not done correctly. So I don't want people saying that's not how you do it, because you're absolutely right. I didn't fix the dents back here. I just took wire wheel on a air tool and ground out any rust, so made sure there's no rust behind, and then treated it, and then went and painted it. So we did not do the prep work. Still got to put this piece back in. I did spray the bumper. It was a new bumper a couple years ago, but it just had the primer on it. Now it's nice and shiny. It looks good. And again on this side, now this, you can see there's still dents here. I did not take out these dents. One there, here. But if you go back and look at the pictures of the before and after I put up ahead of time, it's a big difference. So that's it. It's just a quick way you can kind of spruce your vehicle up very inexpensively. I think it cost me maybe 70 bucks with the acetone and the paint all together. And you know, this is what you can get out of it. Now it's not going to last probably as long as a regular auto paint, of course. I'm thinking about getting a clear coat and putting it over it to help seal it, but I'm not really sure yet. Next year I will be. Now there is a hole in this rocker panel here, but overall this rocker panel is in pretty good shape, so I'm going to patch it for this year. And if it's not up yet, you'll see the rocker panels that I did on the other side. It came as a set of 2, so I have this rocker panel. Really, bottom line is this year I'm just running out of time, so we're just going to do a quick patch job on this after the fact. Now there was a little tiny hole here, and then when I cleaned up the paint, it ended up being a bigger hole, so that's why I just decided to go ahead and paint, because my window is closing as far as time, and I'll just patch this up and do a quick little paint over that one spot. Anyway, you know, if you want to just spruce your vehicle up without spending a lot of money and a ton of time, then this is one way you can do it. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Have a great day, and we'll see you in another video.